Story 11 Smoke Detectors. Fire is dangerous. House fires kill many people, but there is something you can do about them. Get the smoke detector. Smoke detectors save lives. How? They tell you to get out of a burning house. Many house fires happen at night. When people are sleeping, a fire starts slowly. First, there is smoke, a lot of smoke. It's actually the smoke that kills most people, not the fire itself. A smoke detector gives you an early warning about the fire. It makes a very loud noise when there is smoke. It wakes you up so you can get out of the house. That's how smoke detectors work. If you have a plan, you will know what to do. The most important thing is to get out of the house. Ask your parents to get a smoke detector. Ask them to practice what they would do if there is a fire.